Hello spoofers. Today I'm going to make a video based on a guide that I wrote on how to convert a joystick into a system app without rooting your phone. I know the written guide looks a little confusing at first, so I'm hoping this video can help you guys out. So just to prove to you guys that I'm not cheating and using Magisk to secretly root my phone, let me open up the Magisk Manager so I can show you that I am not rooted. Magisk is not rooted, it says so at the top. And if we click the safety net check, we passed, so we're definitely not rooted right now. Alright, let me show you my security update. Okay, let's go to About Phone. There's my Android version, 7.1.2. And security patch level, June 5th, 2017. Alright, so we're definitely in that category of not spoofing. And even if I tried to open the GPS Joystick app and try to hit start, it's going to want mock location, and if I enable that, I'm just going to get fail to detect error on Pokemon Go. Alright, so if I open Pokemon Go right now, well, my current area is pretty dead, so there's not much to see here. Alright, let's get out of here. Okay, so first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go into bootloader mode, and to do that I gotta first turn off my phone. Okay, and let's go into bootloader mode. Okay, scroll down to bootloader. Okay, so right now I'm going to type in some commands on my computer. Well, actually first, I got to connect my phone to my computer through the USB cable. Okay. Alright, let me type in some command. The fast boot command that I'm referring to in my guide, it's fast boot, and then whatever the twerp image was. Hit enter. Give it a few seconds and it should boot up twerp for me. There we go. Okay. So when we boot into twerp, twerp is not actually installed on your phone, it's just booting it temporarily, like how you use a startup disk or a Windows installation disk on a desktop. Now if we want to access the system folder, first we have to tap on mount, and then if you notice near the top there's an unchecked box for system. We got to check that box. Let's go back, go to advanced, and then file manager. Okay, so most joysticks, or most apps in general, when you first install them through the Play Store, they're going to be in the folder called data, and then go to app. Okay, so now I get to look for the GPS Joystick app. I have the name of it written in that guide. Let's see here. There it is. com.theappninjas.joystick-1. There it is. You tap on the folder. And then this little icon in the corner, go ahead and tap on that. And we're going to want to move it. Okay, now we get to move it to the system folder. Scroll down, look for system. There it is, and we're going to want to move it into priv app, which is down here. Alright, once we're in the priv app folder, just hit that little icon in the corner. Now it's asking if you want to move that folder into the system priv app folder. Swipe to confirm. And that's about it. I can just restart my phone normally now. Some of you might get this question if they're asking if you want to install twerp. I usually don't install this unless if you're rooted. So let's go ahead and hit do not install. Alright, now I can disconnect. If you're wondering what that red message is, that red message is there because I installed a custom version of Android on my phone. My phone's not rooted, but I installed a custom version mainly because of all the bloatware that came on the stock version. Oh, and I just want the latest and greatest from Android. That's why I have that custom version of Android. The stock one only went to, I think, an earlier, actually it was still on Nougat, but there was a lot of bloatware there. Okay, so now that we're all back up and running, now we can open the GPS Joystick app. Let's go to settings. And we got to make sure that system mode is enabled. Okay, there it is. And if you want to stop rubber banding, you want to disable location service, which is that option right there. Hit OK. And before this setting will take effect, we have to restart my phone, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, now we're back up and running again. Let's open the joystick again. I'm going to go back in settings just to make sure all the settings are where I want them. Okay, looks like they're all good. Alright, let's find a location. Pretty sure this is my normal spot. Let's go ahead and just hit start. There's a little ad that comes up. If you're on a fully rooted system, you can disable all these ads. Okay, now let's open up Pokemon Go. All right, here we are, spoofing on the latest security update without rooting at all. The guide makes it sound like a long procedure, but take some time, read it, understand it before you do anything, and it should go pretty seamlessly. Oh, just in case if somebody thinks I swapped phones magically during the whole thing, let's go back into settings. Okay, let's go back in settings. Let's check out the About Phone section. There we are. Still on Android 7.1.2. Security patch June 5th, 2017. Alrighty guys, hopefully my guide helped you out. Hopefully this video will help you understand what to do as well. You guys take care, alright? See you guys next time.